guys! I think my gearbox broken on the Traxxas Maxx. Let's see what's happened. And we can get this off. Oh, it's one more screw here. It's one more. So, let's see if I can get this off here. Yeah. Oh, I can see that. Use these gloves. You should really have it on your hands when you're working with grips. Oh. Look at that. Can you see that? It's broke. Let's this gear here is fine. Should I get the roller? Sorry. I never remove a motor from the maxx assemblies. Is it maybe this screw here? I don't know. Loose, but it's stuck in there. I don't know how. I need to take this apart. Oh, it's one more screw there. That one. Go there. So, you hear that motor there. It slips now. And I always put my screws back into the car so I remember where they should go. Oh, don't. This should go into here. So, this is from you see all this mess into here. I can get this away. This is completely broken. And it is a 50 tooth. It looks like this is pretty fine. I think. I can feel that the motor are a bit sloppy. And this is a 21 turn. Yeah. And my EC also broke. It's just blinking and I need to get a new one from my cobble wing or something. And you can reuse these gloves. It's just too... Yeah, you don't need to see that place. Yeah. And if you like my channel, then subscribe please.